Good day, Safe Fleet partners, and thanks for making the stop with us here today. Hey, my name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Work Truck at Safe Fleet, and we've got some important information to go over with you today. This is edition 8 of Work Truck 360. We just came back from the NTA Work Truck Show, and it was fantastic. One of the highlights of our show was the rear deploy ladder rack, a product that's part of the Ergo Rack family. Look for this product to be available to you for order in May and production beginning in June. We can't wait for you to start getting it. One of the most important things I want to talk to you today is the deadline of the FMVSS 111 rear view safety standards being implemented this year. It is very, very critical that you remain compliant when doing an upfit. Those upfits require a monitor and a rear view safety system camera. Those products are readily available through us here at Safe Fleet. Make sure that you talk to your territory sales manager or your strategic account manager for further details. Better yet, call our customer service team for the update on this critical deadline. Another line of products that's very exciting, and we launched it at this year's NTA Work Truck Show, is our FRC Work Pro Lighting Series. IP67 and IP68 certified and compliant for dust and water ingress. Our lighting systems are very robust with a heavy-duty mounting bracket available in both spot and flood, heavy-duty vaned housing for proper thermal dissipation, a heavy-duty wiring harness for easy hookup to your product, all backed by an industry-leading 5-year limited warranty. Make sure you get these products on order today to satisfy your customers. To support this initiative, we have launched our Work Pro Lighting Solution promotion. Buy 3 sets of anything we offer, get the 4th set for free. Get them on order now. Be there when the customer needs it. Getting the product is one thing. The support you need to purvey the product is another thing. Our marketing department has done a fantastic job with creating a literature order request process that's brand new to the work truck business unit here at Safe Fleet. It's available electronically online. You simply fill it out, and our fulfillment center processes your order. It just doesn't get any easier. So look for this readily available to you so you can get the literature that you need to support your sales efforts. Hey, thanks very much for joining us. I certainly appreciate it. The entire Safe Fleet organization certainly appreciates your business. I look for you to join us next month in edition 9 of Work Truck 360. Have a great day.